The Zimbabwean football star Khama Billiat has opened up about the circumstances that led to his departure from Kaizer Chiefs in June 2023, revealing the mental and physical toll that contributed to his decision. Khama Billiat, who is now playing for Yada FC in the Zimbabwean Premier Soccer League, shared insights into his final months at the South African club during an interview on the Mhlengi Sports YouTube channel. Billiat's exit from Chiefs marked at the end of a 5-year tenure that began with high expectations in 2018. Before joining the Soweto Giants, he had enjoyed a stellar career at Mamelodi Sundowns, where he won several titles, including the CAF Champions League. However, his time at Chiefs failed to live up to the hype as he left without securing any silverware. In the lead-up to his departure, Billiat was offered a contract extension by Chiefs, but it came with a significant salary reduction. While many speculated that the wage cut was the key reason for his exit, Billiat clarified that his decision was driven more by personal challenges than financial disagreements, and said, "You know how negotiations go. Either way, I didn't mind the salary cut, but I appreciated the offer. But the truth is, I wasn't mentally or physically strong enough to continue. With all the injuries and the pressure, it became too much for me to handle." Injuries plagued much of Khama's time at Amakosi, and the frustrations of repeated setbacks weighed heavily on him. He spoke candidly about the internal and external pressures that compounded his struggles, from the demands of trying to make an impact on the pitch to the constant scrutiny on social media, and said, "I wanted to contribute so much to the team, but I kept getting injured. It was frustrating. I would have loved to stay, but I wasn't sure if I could take another season of this, signing a contract and then potentially getting injured again." He admitted that the burden extended beyond the field, affecting his personal life as well, and said, "There were moments when I wasn't myself. Even at home, I felt the need to give more, but my body just wasn't responding. It got to a point where I had to step back and say enough." Billiat's decision to return to Zimbabwe and join Yada FC was in part a way to reset and find peace after the pressures of playing at such a high level. He expressed gratitude for the support from Mamakosi, but emphasized that the move was necessary for his well-being. Now looking to reignite his career in Zimbabwe, Billiat remains a beloved figure in African football, and his reflections highlight the often overlooked mental strain athletes face when managing public expectations and personal limitations. And said, "I appreciate everything Chiefs did for me, but sometimes you just have to make tough decisions for your own health and peace of mind." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.